Hi! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 tips that will help you achieve a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. A lot of people think that living a high life has to be expensive, but that's not always the case. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the finer things in life without spending a fortune. So sit back and relax as I take you through some easy ways to pamper yourself without breaking the bank. Number 1. Start by setting a realistic budget and taking stock of your financial situation. Before you can live the luxurious lifestyle of your dreams, you should first get a good understanding of where you are financially. Take a look at your income, expenditures, and debts to figure out how much you can realistically allocate toward living luxuriously. Number 2. Spend with intention. Many people think that the only way to live extravagantly is to splurge on expensive items they don't really need. However, instead of spending on things that won't last, make sure that every dollar spent goes towards something that truly matters, whether it be an experience or a quality piece of clothing, and will add value to your life in the long run. Number 3. Take advantage of rewards programs and discounts. Many companies offer loyalty programs and special deals for returning customers. Whether you purchase clothes from the same boutique or book flights through a particular airline, take advantage of these privileges to reduce costs on luxury items. Number 4. Shop secondhand. Finding gently used items at thrift stores or online platforms like eBay and Poshmark can save you big bucks on designer products and high-end furniture pieces without sacrificing quality. Not only will this allow you to experience luxury items for less money, but it's also great for helping the environment. Number 5. Do it yourself. Instead of buying expensive materials from retailers or hiring professionals, try doing some DIY projects around the house, such as painting walls or building furniture yourself with resources from local hardware stores to save up on costs while still achieving a luxurious finish in your home decor. Number 6. Find cheap alternatives. If there is something specific you want but cannot afford right now, look into cheaper alternatives that can still provide similar results without breaking the bank. Such as using essential oils as an affordable substitute for expensive spa treatments or buying knockoff handbags in place of more pricey designer bags. Number 7. Get creative with dining experiences. Eating out at high-end restaurants is one way to splurge, but why not save money by trying out some culinary adventures from the comfort of your own kitchen? From fancy gourmet meals to 5-star desserts, there are plenty of recipes online for any skill level, so get creative. Number 8. Invest in quality over quantity. When it comes to fashion pieces and beauty products, opt for investing in higher quality products rather than buying cheap ones that won't last. This also applies when planning trips. Try prioritizing fewer destinations with higher quality experiences over trying to see multiple places on a tight budget. Number 9. Look for free activities. There are tons of free attractions available no matter where you live, such as parks, public beaches, museums, galleries, etc., so take advantage of these offerings while still getting the most out of your luxurious lifestyle. Number 10. Utilize smart technology. Smartphone apps and websites offer amazing discounts when it comes to booking flights, hotel rooms, and other travel arrangements, so use them whenever possible. Additionally, there are apps like Ibotta which give cashback rewards when making purchases, which can really help ease the burden when trying to maintain a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. So there you have it. 10 tips to help live a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. What are your favorite tips? Do you have any additional ones to add? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates.